What going me, G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
You know, want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, my beautiful subscribers and my lovely viewers. Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? You know, all right? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you not feel no pain at all. If you feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor. Call the doctor. Go at the doctor. Make the doctor come at your home if you have the money. But if you're broke and no money, me nah go say we no response. Call a friend. Tell somebody if you carry you. Go at the doctor so you can get checked up. So we can have you here tomorrow and the next day and forever. Although you don't know and so you go. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, as me always say, wellness check. Please, me I beg you, do some wellness check. What me say? Do some wellness check on your friends and your families and also your enemy. And you see when you cook at daytime, today, a Sunday, red rice and rooster day, if you cook and have some extra, as a matter of fact, cook some extra. Give the whole lady cross the street and the whole man cross the bridge. Or if you know they cross the bridge, cross the road. Give some of them some food because them need it and they need help. And guys, do not, please, do not use mental health as a weapon. Don't use mental health as a weapon. Don't act like everything is alright when you want to bash people, and then when you see it come back at you 10 times stronger, you talk about your mental health. Don't do it. Stop telling lies. Don't be like that, lady. Anyway, if today is your birthday, have a wonderful day. If yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to go, shawty. It's your birthday and you don't know we no give a. Yeah, man, if you want to go up in the club, all up to you. Have a nice birthday. Wow. Man, I tell you, the breeze is blowing. You can hear that breeze is blowing. You can hear all those dirtiness and those jealousies just falling brick by brick. You can hear them just crumbling back up into their vomits. You can hear them just saying, oh my God. You can hear them going, oh shit. Hey, what do them, brother? Hold on a little bit. My viewers and subscribers, you see what I go on? Let me fix up my glass. You see what I go on? Make me call them stupidia to the front of the class. Them claim say them want put me on the back bench. But this time me go call them up to the front of the class because you know that little chuck one day love to say I call people at the front of the class. Uno come here. This graceful Jackie come here. Nah no sense. Keish come here. Love money. Rosa, you come here. Disgraceful best father. Come here. Man, dog, and girl, come here. You chuck boy, you broke back one. And then, me want to call the Estrian wife. Yeah, the liar one. The one where go back to the ex-husband and say, she been with a lot of man. The cheater. The serial cheater. And then more have to call the con artist, the abuser, the woman beater, the scammer, the handyman. Come here. Couldn't come here. You see them yet? So, how you feel if you realize Alicia Kim start a business out of you? Hold on a little bit. How you really feel if you know say Alicia Kim start a t-shirt business out of no dumbass? Oh, have me excuse. Have me excuse, me lovely and wonderful and most of all beautiful subscribers. Mama, big up yourself. You know who me attack. Hey. How you feel if you know say out of all of no negativity, out of all the months, weeks, and over here of negativity, of beating down somebody, Alicia Kim start a business. Hold on. Out of who know? Hold on. Hey, hold on. Let me put the master crowbaits them one side a little bit. So the masters for the crowbaits is Maki, Chop Boy, and Idiot Father. I want to go over this. So, Love Money Rosa, Nano Sense Quiche, Disgraceful Jackie. Let me talk to you first. Let me talk to you first. You don't learn anything from Alicia Kim? Eh? You don't learn. Hold on. You don't learn anything from Alicia Kim? You don't learn nothing. You know why you can't learn nothing? You see, you know head tick. You know head tick. You know head too blasted tick. Wake up. Wake up. Look what the lady did. The lady start a business, a t-shirt business. The lady start a t-shirt business out of all our negativity. Hold on. Look one good girl. Kim, that is the next t-shirt. Look pan good girl. And the next t-shirt that Kim, look pan good girl, cause I your word that you know. Look pan good girl. How you feel if you know that Alicia Kim use all of you negativity, all of you trying to bring her down a group so? Hey, hold on. When the spaceship them a go up there, I want to see them a go up so. How much of them come back down? And mash up? Maybe 5. The rest of them go up down. So it doesn't matter how no beat her down. She falls up, she go up, she falls up, she go up. All who know do is a good down. We no come like drill. You know no spaceship. You know a drill hole, a good down. Try to look and learn off of Alicia Kim no man. Instead of Uno try to beat her down. Look what she do. She start a business out of Uno. Yeah man, you and you Ross, I love money bad enough. You love money bad. Yeah, you love money bad, 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 bad. What a shame and disgrace. The lady use negativity to start a business. How no feel? How no really feel about that? Eh? How no feel? You feel happy? You feel excited? It is a shame. It is a shame and disgrace to see what you guys have done to her. And it's a pandemonium. It's a celebration. It's so excited to see that she used you all negativity to turn into a business. Look pan good girl. Look pan good girl. Eh? Look pan good girl. Now let me talk to. Let me talk to the one Mackie. And the one disgraceful father. And the one man, dog, and woman. And girl and her kind of something. Yeah. How you no feel? You no beat her left, right, and center. Hey, Chucker boy. You fi start a t-shirt business. You fi start a t-shirt business, Chucker. You know what if you name? Shit in a truck. Oh yeah. Wow. Yeah man. You fi start a business, Chucker. A t-shirt business named Shit in a Truck. Yeah man, you fi start a business, t-shirt, Shit in a Truck. Mackie, you fi start one too. Learn from Kim, start one too. Fear one fi name Master Manipulator. And that if you put on fear one. Drunker father. You fi start one too. Fear one fi name Disgraceful father. I saw fear one fi name Disgraceful father. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should ashamed. You should be ashamed of yourself today. Guys, my viewers and subscribers, if you reach this far in the video and not like the video yet, come on man, what now wait for? Like the video, share the video, comment on the video, watch the ads them, because when you watch the ads, you help the channel. Also guys, you can be a member of the channel, you know. Me need to fix up that too. Me need to fix up that so you can get on the perks. And also, if you send me the name of people who want to send birthday call out to. Yes. Hold on. Me have a birthday to call out, you know. Miss Nina. Yeah, I saw it go. I think I remember it, you know. Miss Nina. E-N-A. I saw Nina. Ah, Miss Nina. Big up yourself. Over, where they again? Baltimore. Big up yourself. Enough respect, Miss Nina. Big up yourself. But guys, go over Kim. Yeah, go over Kim. Me a talk too low. Yeah, I told me no want the bad mind people in here. But me should name care, don't. So, me not care. Go over Kim. Yes. Me can't hide nothing. Go over Kim. Go buy one of the shirt. Me don't know which one I know buy. But I know my fault. I know for me fault. I feel your fault, Mackie. I feel your fault, Mackie. Maki, I know for me fault, I know my fault, I know Kim fault, I for your fault. Maki, what a shame. No, out of a joke. Make us sit down and think about this. You imagine, guys, Alicia Kim turn negativity into a business. Look pan good girl. How are you all really sitting down right now thinking? How you guys feeling? How you feel? If you know say Alicia Kim can take negativity, turn into a business, while uno sit down there, broke another money, but we no response, not abiding city. Uno pressure Alicia Kim, it's a pressure the girl, cause the girl smarter, uno. How uno feel? How uno feel? How uno feel if you know say Alicia Kim can use negativity turn into positivity? How uno feel? Little did you all know. You know what? I'm not say it yet. I go hold it down. But guys, on a serious base, this is positivity at the highest level. This is positivity at the highest level that I have ever seen it. A woman, a person, an individual turn negativity into a business. If none of you can learn anything from this, light a candle, sing a song, find your way back home. Alicia Kim, make all of you look really and truly stupid. Wow. That's all I can say. Wow. Alicia Kim, let them talking. Oh. Bark if them barking. Oh, yeah. Alicia Kim talk, make them talking, yeah. She got a lot more coming. Make them pass them dirty remarks, cause who God bless, I may say no man curse. It's a shame. It's really a shame and disgrace to see that months upon months, weeks, days, minutes, seconds, you all drag this lady through the mud. And this lady come out the winner. Wow. She come out the winner. She come out stronger than every single one of you. She come out the winner. Way more than every single one of you. Not one of you win from trying to bring her down. Not one of you. Wow. Making a business out of negativity. Starting a business out of people trying to bring you down. That is wow. Alicia Kim, on the behalf of myself and I, and my viewers and my subscribers, my beautiful subscribers, We salute you. We respect you. We are excited. We are happy to know that you can stand on your 2 feet. As a woman, as a person, as an individual, and most of all, as a mother, can stand up and fight off negativity and strive off negativity and start a business out of negativity. We salute you. Who God bless? No man. No man. No man curse. Sometimes it's hard to make certain video, you know. Guys, I'm not afraid to tell you, you know. Many times when I make some video, I have to stop them, delete them. Stop them, you know. Because at Alicia Kim age, my son is 1 year older than Alicia Kim. So Alicia Kim could have been my daughter, yeah? And when I see a man that is way, way older than her trying to take her down, really hurt my heart. But I go tell her something. Seeing what she can do and want to do and will be doing, I have to stand up and give her flowers. Respect, Alicia Kim. Respect. And I tell you already, but thank you very much for your birthday gift, and you know, I'm proud of you. Yeah man, I'm proud of you. And me always proud of you. But this what me see you do. Starting a business out of negativity. Really, really and truly. Yeah, it really hit me in the heart, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man. I love it. Yeah, you know, guys, can't go to more every day, you know, so take care of yourself. I remember, things may not go your way. You may see somebody having a bad day. But not because it's not your way. You go try to tear down a person. Think before you talk. And look up and down before you cross the road. Because you never know when go be your time. Because remember, each of us have a minute, a time, the hour, and the second. Yeah, we all have that coming. Yeah. Today for me, tomorrow for you. So guys, with that said, yeah, peace and love, manners and respect. I'm out. Have a nice Sunday. Stay blessed.